Once somebody's had a colour analysis consultation, how is it that they can shop for their colours? Well, there is a company called Kettlewell Colours, actually based in the UK, which design clothes specifically with people's colouring type in mind. Now, they do have a slightly different way of analysing people's colours, but it doesn't mean that you can't still shop for your chosen colours. You just have to bear in mind that, like with any shop and any retailer, they call different colours, have different names, and ultimately it's going back to your consultation and thinking about what your colouring type is and how it is you can wear colour. So this company is called Kettlewell Colours, as you can see there. So that's their website. And what you can actually do is search by your colouring type. So if you click on the shop by colour tab, what you can actually do here is you can see filter by tonal direction. And for instance, I am a soft, so I could put that one in if I know my dominant colouring type. Now, if I've had my secondary analysis, so if you've had my complete colour consultation, you'll know what your secondary colouring type is, and mine is actually cool. So I can actually apply both of those filters. If, for instance, you were a clear warm, you would click clear, and you could click warm as well. And then that will filter the colours down for you. So if I click apply, what you'll see is softer, more muted tones, and that have a more cooler or bluer undertone to them. So they have been filtered down. So if there was a specific colour, let's say you were wanting to get something that was a close match to the current colour of the year for 2022, which is Pantone, Very Pere. Let's look at something like Heliotrope. You could click on the relevant colour and then it will bring up the different items of clothing that Kettlewell Colours have created for that specific colour. And what you'll also see is if there are any sales on, then they're actually indicated there as well. So you've got basics such as camisoles, V-neck tops. You've also obviously got square neck tops. These layered tops can be very nice as well. And you've also got some cardigans and some scarves as well. Now, what you can actually do is clearly find, so if for instance, let's look at a camisole, you then can choose the relevant size. You do have some sizing information actually on the website as well, which is very useful together with any reviews. And of course you could therefore then pick the relevant colour. So it was Heliotrope that we were actually looking at. So that's it in Heliotrope, in say a small or a large. And then what you can actually do is you can obviously add to bag.